The Rome Foundation began in Rome almost 30 years ago because that's when these committee meetings began. It all started in the late 1980s when Aldo Torsoli, who was president of the University of Rome, developed a sense of doing a set of committees, which he called working team committees. And he used what was called the Delphi approach. And what he meant by that is he would gather experts from around the world, and those experts would convene to answer questions that weren't in the scientific literature. Essentially, by consensus, these committees came up with ideas, guidelines, and recommendations. The very first began in 1988 when a committee was formed to develop diagnostic criteria for irritable bowel syndrome. This was chaired by Grant Thompson from Canada, and I was one of the members, as well as several other members. This became a publication. Now, the big change occurred in 1990 when Dr. Torsoli asked us to develop a classification system. And it was published in 1990, and this was a set of publications around the main organ domains. So there are esophageal disorders, gastroduodenal disorders, bowel disorders, biliary, and anorectal disorders. So from that first classification system, which began in Rome, we developed a series of committees. Those committees have reviewed and revised their work over several iterations, from Rome 1, Rome 2, Rome 3, and currently Rome 4.